Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a hotly debated topic in rental karting world, hand positions on the steering wheel. If you've ever been out on the track, you've likely noticed some drivers gripping the wheel at 11 o'clock and 1 o'clock, whilst others stick to the traditional 8 o'clock and 4 o'clock positions, maybe even lower. But which is better? Let's find out. Let's start with a quick breakdown of the two styles. The first position, 11 o'clock and 1 o'clock, involves placing your hands high up on the steering wheel. Some drivers claim that it gives them better control when flicking the cart into a corner. On the flip side, we've got the traditional 8 o'clock and 4 o'clock position. This lower grip is commonly taught for smoother, more consistent steering, especially at higher speeds. Now, in my experience, the lower hand position, the 8 and 4 o'clock, has a clear edge when it comes to holding the cart steady through mid-corner at fast speeds. As you can see, going round the centre S, I am unable to actually hold it on the exit when you need to have the most precision. The cart felt twitchy and making it very hard to stay planted on the racing line. To be fair, the higher hand position can have some advantages on some tracks and some corners. With the initial sharp rotation of the cart and allowing the cart to flow, this can make sure that you don't bog coming out of corners in some cases. Here is a side-by-side comparison to hear your thoughts on this, so I will go quiet while you watch the entire lap. Try and guess which one is faster. And that's a side-by-side comparison. As you can see, the lower hand position was 600ths faster than the higher position, and that is from a full lap of Warden Law. Now, being honest, I did do a couple of laps and they were all within 100ths of each other at Warden Law. However, there's going to be some tracks that is going to be more of a difference. So what's my take? For rental karting, especially if you're aiming to improve lap times and consistency, the lower 8 and 4 position is the way to go. It gives you the stability you need at higher speeds and makes mid-corners easier to control. Now I want to hear from you. What's your go-to hand position when you're out on the track? Have you actually tried both styles, or if there's any others that I haven't done myself? And if so, what works best for you? Drop your thoughts in the comment below and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Now that's everything from me today, and I'll see you on the track next time.